I don't have any content for this week, so here's a Seoul vlog. Starting off in Seoul, which is the overpass turned garden bridge. This has been under construction recently as they've been putting higher walls to stop people jumping off, but now it's looking really nice and it's a great way to get from one side of Seoul Station to the other. Then heading into Namdaemun Market, where we hit up this famous mandu and steamed bun shop. I got a steamed bun with red bean paste, and while we're there, some old guy tried to steal a steamed bun. While there, I bought some colored masks, checked out some kitchenware, and admired these ginseng soju jars, which I attempted last year myself. Then we walked from Namdaemun through Myeongdong. This used to be a bustling shopping area, but now it's almost a ghost town, with basically every other store shut down. I don't usually like this place much, but seeing it like this does make me a little bit sad. From Myeongdong, we jumped down into Cheonggyecheon Stream, which runs through from City Hall, past Dongdaemun, and eventually into the Han River. We didn't go as far as Dongdaemun, but instead we jumped back up at Kwangjung Market for lunch. This is one of the oldest food markets in Seoul. We always hit up the same spot whenever we come here. I got some cold spicy noodles and we shared some mung bean pancakes and steamed pork blood sausages with bits of liver. Delicious. Around Kwangjang is also a bunch of gardening shops where we had a look at any seeds we might want to plant at the farm when we head down there. Followed by the packaging district, which is just a pretty interesting place to walk around, lots of activity going on and interesting shops to look at. At the end of the day, we made it Itaewon for dinner. I'm not going to name this place since it wasn't very good, but after dinner, me and my sister ended the night with some convenience store drinks while we people watched before heading out to have more drinks with friends.